There's just something about doing a major build in your own garage. Turning your own wrenches in your own car instills a lot of pride in the build, something that can't be had if we paid a shop to do it. Although we don't have knowledgeable experts on site and on demand, we consult our experts and still have no idea what we're doing. Having an expected outcome of over 500 wheel horsepower, we know the end result is still far away. Welcome to episode 2 of the Big Turbo STI build.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Day 2. You already got the fucking cervezas in the hand,
yeah.
man. Okay.
Today's gonna be probably a fun one.
Oh yeah. I mean, we'll see how much time
We did all the easy stuff.
Still got some more easy stuff to do.
Well, yeah, a little bit.
As you can see, nothing has changed since we left a few days ago. And pretty much we're going to see if we can take the intake manifold off today, get the AC flopped over this way. We're going to cut this belt off. I know you can remove it. There's a fancy way to remove it, but we're going to replace this anyway, so we're just going to cut it off. 2 days ago, we embarked on a journey well above our skill level. We're 2.5 hours into the project and attempt to remove the OEM intake manifold to make way for the new AMS manifold. We quickly realized just how many lines and electrical connections were connected to the intake manifold. Some were easy to get to, some were buried beneath the manifold. The intake manifold is coming off no matter what.
Manifolds off. That was a pain in the ass. You can see a turbo in the engine. Look at my blue engine. Check that out. Super dirty. But yeah, you can actually see the engine now. I didn't realize how tiny that motherfucker is. Any shot play on it?
The turbo?
Yeah, dude, I didn't realize how tiny it was. I never actually really looked at it.
Yeah, it's
I think it's tiny, dude.
Well, you've been looking at your 62, 66 the whole time.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Let's get to work. TGV's next.
Oh. Is it in between the fucking harness?
There you go, grab it. 3 hours. No,
it took like...
He's dropped fuel. You're dripping fuel.
Who cares?
85, man. Oh,
Yeah.
there goes some more.
Oh, okay. Now I care. Let's go. Yo, what up?
Get out the car.
Yeah, it's looking clean.
Yep, gave it a good wash.
Yeah, looks a lot better.
Yeah.
Did you do like a polish or anything on it?
Just a very light one.
Yeah.
25-year-old paint.
Yeah.
Alright guys, here we are. Progress continuing on from last time. Obviously, this is technically day 3, but we only worked for a couple hours last time. Casey's getting the air oil separator out of the way because that's going to have to be redone once we get the engine put back in. So that's for later on down the line. Downpipe needs to come off.
Downpipe off.
Yeah.
Air separator. Get some more lines out of the way, and then start working
Yeah.
getting in and out.
Yeah, so we have to make sure that everything that's going to, impede on taking the engine out is out the way. You can see someone had a little oil leak right down there. Somewhere. Yeah, looks like it was coming from his turbo inlet.
Just in case any of you wonder, this is what an air separator looks like outside of the car.
Yeah.
It's a lot of hoses. It is a lot.
After removing the air oil separator, the downpipe and the uppipe was removed. Then we proceeded onto the transmission and quickly found out we didn't have the proper tool. Oh shit. Dump tube's out. What you doing now, Casey?
Oh, just pulling out some transmission bolts.
Yep. Almost ready to go.
Getting there. Getting there.
Dude, I can see your nuts.
Oh, yeah? Nice. Alright guys, yeah, downpipe's out. External wastegate is out. You can see where the dump tube was. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, catless, downpipe, done. This is going out for sale as well. Not much left to do.
Yeah. Starting to work on transmission stuff. Yeah. All right, fuck it. We're only in about an hour.
Yeah, no, we're doing good.
All right. Let's get to work. So what do we gotta get, man?
14 millimeter or 12. Probably 14 though. Probably just gonna get both.
Yeah.
Hex bit drive.
Yeah, so we don't have a tool to release the clutch fork, and we're just gonna run the lows real quick and go grab it. So.
Yep. Shutting up the garage real quick.
All right, we just got back. We just had to get some tools. Hey Casey, we're never doing that again, man. 2 dudes in a convertible.
Yeah, no. That's the best idea.
We have to get the clutch fork out. As you can see, it's down there somewhere. Oh, can't really reach it, but that's what we're doing. All right, Casey, you're up, man.
All right, where's the bit? Wow.
Got it. Finally got it out. Almost stripped it. Luckily, we didn't. We're gonna see if one of the valve cover bolts will do.
I need something a little longer now.
That's what she said. Oh.
Got him.
What's that, Casey?
Clutch fork pin? Right?
Something like that. I
Yeah,
guess.
something like that.
Yeah. They said we have to take it out.
Yeah, disconnect it.
Oh, hi.
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are
What
you?
you doing there?
Well, you know, just getting ready to rip this little dude out.
Since we already have a new turbo, we decided to take the little baby stock turbo out of there.
All right, guys.
Show them the little turbo.
This is a little baby turbo. Look at that difference. Oh my god.
That's a big difference. Look
Some
at that.
gains right there.
Show
Tell you
me,
what.
show me the other side. Show me the compressor side. Look at that. Wow, look at that. More power right there.
The outlet.
Yep.
All right. Baby turbo.
You quit geeking out. All right. Give it a couple pumps.
Pump it up. Here we go. Still have to completely take off the engine mounts, right?
Yeah, they're loosened.
Yeah.
Oh, we're just trying to break everything loose. There's 2 14s in there.
Oh!
There you
All
go.
right. She out.
Did we get that on camera?
I hope so.
Yeah, we sure did. All right, lift it up, Casey.
All right.
What
Take
fell?
out- What?
What fell?
The up pipe.
Oh, the up pipe. Oh, not the same, man.
Yeah. What was that? Oh, I see. You gotta take the spring off of it.
Hey, let's get it. Hey, let's get it.
God.
All right, here we go. Third time. Ready? Action.
All right, ladies and gents, we have officially pulled the motor out.
Ta-da!
Boom.
Check that out.
Hey, let's get it.
Pull apart. Change out those head gaskets. Oh man.
You know, we only did this about 2 hours a day. So what, 8, 10 hours total?
Yeah, it's about 2-3 hours a day, and this is our 4th day.
Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah, I mean, not to include all the times we had to go to the store and whatnot.
No, it's not too bad.
No,
Not bad at all.
there's only like about 30,000 miles on it.
About 30,000 miles and a few donuts.
That's a couple donuts, a couple lunches, a couple bread.